Is something holding you back from starting your very own online business? Then keep listening because in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to share with you why digital marketing is the number one e-commerce business today. You won't need tech skills and you won't need to create your own products. You won't even need to have a following. You won't need to build a website either. So, what do you need? Well, all you need is a proven blueprint to follow the step by step guide that you will find in this blueprint and a commitment to 2 hours a day and be coachable so that you're ready to learn. You're going to learn how to create the right content to attract your ideal customer. Whether you do it with faceless marketing or post an image, or whether you're doing a video like I am, you will learn how to automate your business so it works 24/7 for you from your pre-built system that's already given to you. If this is something that you would like to learn how to do so that you create time freedom, then this blueprint is for you. Just comment blueprint below and I would love to send you across the